We try to get people with developmental disabilities jobs in the community so they're not isolated and at home. Their function is that they strip cable to make the value of copper and aluminum more valuable by not having it with insulation, which diminishes its quality.
Through community intersections, they help us get a job like this through Colorado Springs facilities. And it's been amazing. I have an awesome boss. I have awesome coworkers. I'm more independent. I get to go shopping. I like to order food, but my goals in life is I tend to be more independent. I have my own apartment one day, so it's good for me to learn how to save money and learn to be financially stable, to spend money wisely.
Just because they're developmentally or intellectually disabled does not mean that they can't hold a job and work and be productive. Helping them do that makes me feel good that it's worthwhile.